just want it.
Hey, hi, welcome. I am Shiva. Today we are going to discuss about what is solar cable connector. So, understanding solar cable connector, it is first. The essential for any solar power system, it can describe 10 minutes. Solar cable connectors link solar panel to each other and the system. They ensure safe and efficient electricity transfer. Actually, we have three type of common solar connectors: MC4, H4, H6. The MC4 is widely used in the different areas, and H4 and H6 handle high current. Consider your system voltage and current rating. Based on this, we are need to choose connector and specification. Use a crimping tool for proper attachment and follow the instruction given by the manufacturer. That is done. Hope this will help you choose right connectors. Like and share for more solar energy tips. Thanks for watching.